We are a general contractor, swimming pool contractor, and landscape contractor. So our forte is complete custom backyard projects, including but not limited to ADUs, additions, remodels, swimming pools, landscaping, hardscaping, anything you can dream up, we can create in your backyard and even connect it to your home. My name is Todd Maltbie. I'm the president and CEO of Pool and Landscape Development Incorporated. I started at the age of 19. Actually got my contractor's license at the age of 19, which is pretty unheard of in the industry. We've been around for 32 years and we've been steady and strong. We've gone through cycles of the economy in those times. We've probably seen 4 downturns in those 32 years, but because we do quality work and we care about our customers, we've made it through those times. I have 3 foremen that have been with me for 25 years each, long time. Even some of their children have worked for me or still work for me. I have 15 employees and we pride ourselves in doing extremely quality work. So what separates us from the competition is we may be a little bit more expensive, at least so it seems, but we charge what it takes to do things right. And so that costs a little bit extra to not cut corners like most contractors do. And so our pricing may seem a little higher than somebody else, but you're going to want to go with us because of the quality of what we do and we stand behind what we do. Another aspect to our company is when we show up on your site, we're there until it's finished. We don't manage many jobs at the same time where we're bouncing from one job to the next. We have 4 separate crews and we like to keep one crew on that job until it's finished, start to finish. So we're timely, we do what we say we're going to do. We're cleanly. I get a lot of compliments from my customers about how clean my guys are every day. They clean up before they leave, which that's a big thing. You know, kids, dogs, they don't leave food trash around. They don't leave nails and such laying on the ground where somebody would get hurt. We try to fence in and maintain safety measures wherever we are working to protect, you know, your loved ones and our staff as well. Contractors just don't have the greatest of reputations. Our industry is fraught with fly-by-night guys, don't pay their taxes, don't pay their employees, steal money from a customer and don't come back. And so we mitigate that by making sure that the payment process of your contract is such that you are ahead instead of us being ahead. And so as we're doing the work, we're being paid for what we do, not front-loading the project like a lot of contractors do, so that the consumer is comfortable when they're working with us because they look at what's done and they look at what they've paid and they're like, wow, we're in a good situation where if something were to happen, we're not going to be left out in the lurch like, you know, a lot of contractors do to people. I love what I do. I can't imagine doing anything else with my life. It's been my passion, and this yard here was done 24 years ago, yet it looks like it was done yesterday. And so that's why, you know, we do what we do, is so that, you know, we can make people happy. And so we're here to help you. So let us know what we can do for you. We really are excited to help you make your dream come true in your backyard.